Hey there, fellow photographers. Swartz here, master photographer and owner of Swartz Portraits. Are you ready to take your photography to places you've only dreamed of? I've been fortunate enough to capture moments in over 68 countries, and now I want to share that experience with you. Imagine this. You're standing before the Colosseum in Rome, chasing the northern lights in Iceland, or documenting the vibrant streets of Tokyo. With our educational travel experiences, these aren't just daydreams, they're your next adventure. But this isn't your average photo tour. On our trips, you'll embark on a unique learning journey, mastering essential travel photography skills that will elevate your craft. We'll cover everything from what gear to pack to mastering challenging lighting situations. And that's just the start. I'll guide you through professional Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop workflows, ensuring you return home with not just memories, but a portfolio of stunning publication-ready images. We're talking about creating content that will make your social media followers envious and your professional portfolio stand out from the crowd. From the canals of Venice to the outback of Australia, each destination offers unique opportunities to capture once-in-a-lifetime shots. But here's the real magic. It's not just about the photos, it's about personal growth, cultural experiences, and the friendships you'll forge along the way. It's about becoming a better photographer and a more enriched individual. You'll be joining a community of like-minded creatives, expanding your global perspective, and returning home with a renewed passion for your craft. I've seen photographers transform their skills and their careers after these trips. They've become sought-after professionals in their local markets, all because they took that leap and joined us on an adventure. It's not just a trip, it's a potential turning point in your photography journey. So here's my challenge to you. Don't let another year go by wondering, what if? Don't scroll past another incredible travel photo wishing it was yours. Take action now. Visit www.swartzportraits.com, educational travel today, and book your spot on our next photographic journey. Our trips are reasonably priced and include all travel, hotels, transportation, entry into venues, breakfast, dinner, and travel insurance. So you're getting your money's worth for the experience and education you'll gain. Our goal is to keep each trip under 15 travelers so you get one-on-one education while we are shooting. During our Adobe instruction, you can get individualized help during the trip. Those traveling with Ty get pre-trip education through live video workshops, on-trip education, and post-trip support. We also take your safety seriously with measures such as having a dedicated group leader, that's me, Ty. We also have local expert guides and a tour director to help navigate each travel destination. These aren't just vacations, they are investments in your passion and your future as a photographer. Remember, every great photographer has a story to tell. Let's ensure yours is one of adventure, growth, and incredible images. Join me and let's capture the world together. Scroll down and see what upcoming trip fits your schedule and sense of adventure. Now let's start your journey. See you on the other side of the lens.